Though we all bleed red, the differences between two people's blood can be vast. This is due to certain proteins on our blood cells called antigens. These antigens serve as markers. The presence or absence of these markers determines what blood type you are. They're antigens that can determine whether you have A, B, AB, or O blood, as well as whether you have positive or negative blood. These two variables determine your blood type.
I wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her.
While we have antigens, we also have antibodies. Antibodies are proteins produced by the immune system that are meant to attack certain antigens. The antigens that you have play a role in what antibodies you produce. This can make blood transfers tricky, as the antigens have to match. Otherwise, the person who will receive the blood will have antibodies that will attack the antigens in the donor blood. This system of predator and prey allows us to produce antibodies that ward off many harmful bacteria that enter our body.
There are 4 categories of blood that humans have. It can be A, B, AB, or O type blood. A and B blood types produce B and A antibodies respectively. AB blood produces no antibodies since it has both A and B markers present, and O blood produces A and B antibodies. In terms of receiving donor blood, AB would be the simplest to accept blood because it has both antigens present. O blood is often called the universal donor because it has no antigens, and therefore it goes undetected in blood transfers, and the host blood cells will not produce any antibodies to attack it.
In addition to the AB antigens, there's a third antigen titled the Rh factor. It is simply another marker on the cell. The presence of the Rh factor would make the blood positive, and the absence of it makes the blood negative. Typically in blood transfusions, donor blood and host blood match up in both A, B, O, and Rh antigens.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the
Though blood all looks the same to the naked eye, the differences between two people can be vastly different. These minute differences are what helps to make humans so complex and intricate, and they contribute to our genetic variations. It's just a small piece of the big puzzle of human anatomy.
Is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hang it on a shelf in good